Hi there, welcome to the fifth section. In this last practical section, we'll be utilizing the image recognition side of ARCore. In the next couple of videos, we're going to create an augmented reality poster. We'll be using stencil shaders to hide the world behind the poster. And when it's tapped, the poster will disappear to reveal the 3D world like a see-through box. Let's have a look what the requirements are. The only requirement that we actually have for this app is that it has to be visually appealing for the user. When the user scans the image, a 2D image will appear that has a parallaxing effect. The different layers of the environment will shift with the camera position. When the user then taps the image, it fades away and shows the 3D world that's behind it. Let's see what we need to do in the next videos to accomplish this. This project won't be as intense as the other two. In the first video, I'll explain, if you don't know yet, what parallaxing exactly is and create together the effect. In the second video, we'll set up the world that will be shown behind the poster. The third video will be about importing ARCore and creating the image manager that creates the world whenever we scan the poster. Also, we'll be changing the quality settings so we're able to see shadows appear from the clouds inside of the model. The last video will be about implementing the user interface, fading out the parallaxing effect, and revealing the world behind it when it's tapped.